Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have an account and likely 2FA. Start now by signing into GitHub and opening settings. Once there, go to Developer Settings and choose Personal Access Tokens so you can create a key. Make sure you pick Classic or Fine-Grained based on least privilege. This controls what the token can do. Also decide an expiration period to reduce long-term risk. By starting immediately, you avoid unnecessary setup delays and keep focus on the exact token type you need. Now configure the token. Choose the minimal scopes required for your task so you follow least privilege principles. For example, select repo for repo access or read, org for organization metadata. Avoid giving unnecessary rights. Then set a sensible expiration date and add a descriptive note so you know the token's purpose later. When you click Generate Token, copy it immediately into your credential store because GitHub shows it only once. Once saved, integrate it into your CLI, CI secrets, or finally, store the token securely in a secret manager, encrypted file, or environment variable. Never commit it to code. Use it in requests with the authorization header or configure your GitHub CLI to authenticate. Once done, test a simple API call to confirm permissions. If something goes wrong, for example 401 or insufficient scope errors, revoke the token and generate a new one with corrected scopes. Make sure clocks are synced and network proxies aren't stripping headers when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.